The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Alright, my people, Dancehall Skilla there again. Yes, big up and respect each and every one. I hope that everyone is okay and alright. Yeah, big up. Alright, my people, I have videos that I'm going to present to you. And the first video that I'm going to present to you, this video has been posted on social media where it is said that the video shows when persons hunted and found human spirit that was in water or buried in the ground somewhere out there in the world. Allegedly, it is said that you can hear when the human spirit cry out in the video. Viewers and subscribers, I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly where within the world the video had been recorded, nor do I have any confirmed information as to when the video had been recorded. And I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to take a look at the video and tell me what I think about the video. You can tell me if you see any human spirit in the video, and you can also tell me if you hear any human spirit cry out in the video as well. See? Now, I want you to please bear in mind that the video shows when a person pulled something from out of water or the ground that might be human remains. According to some comments on social media, I got the understanding that some persons are saying that the thing that the person pulled from out of the ground is human remains, but I have no confirmed information about that. Alright? Anyways, my people, what I'm trying to tell you is that some things that have been shown in this video, some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might not want to see nor hear some of the things that have been shown and said in this video. Alright? So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe. People, I cannot tell what that thing is that the person take from out of the water or from out of the ground, you see? No, I cannot, you know. That thing look a weird though. And, you know, persons in that video made many noise because the person found the thing, you see me? And I really do know. It's not that I don't believe in spirits or duppy as some Jamaicans might call it, but I've never seen any form of spirit before. I've never. So it's like this whole thing about the belief in spirit have me 50-50. So I'm gonna ask you, my viewers and subscribers, have you ever seen any form of spirits before? And I'm talking about whether it be a human spirit or an animal spirit, any form of spirit. Have any of you, my viewers and subscribers, ever seen any form of spirits before? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Tell me in the comment section, have you ever seen any spirits before? Tell me in the comment section, alright? And I'm going to move on to another video. The next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a person who shows a way how he says he saved money. Viewers and subscribers, I'm not going to explain everything about this video. I'm going to present the video to you, and you can also let me know what you think about this video. See, you can tell me what you think about the things that have been said in this video. On a real, my people, the things that you're about to see and hear in this video might somewhat surprise some of you, my viewers and subscribers, alright? And tell me if you would ever do something like this to save money. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Yo, I'm going to show y'all how I save money with my toilet paper in my guest bathroom. This is a good idea if you have all them unwanted guests. You take your toilet paper, cut it in half. And this knife, don't mind the knife, you can fix all that up later. Shit got messy. Once again, this is for the guest bathroom. There's some real heavy duty toilet paper here. Bam. Now you just shave it off, clean the sides off. The problem is I think I used the wrong knife. Let's switch the knife. So instead of one row, you have 2 rows. Clean it all up. Your guests, they not gonna say nothing. They still gonna use it to wipe their ass.
Alright, on a real though, my people, that look away. It look a way, yo. You see me? It just look a way. You see me? I bet the person look on who's to ever use his guest toilet and say, hey, yo, take time with my toilet paper, you know. You see me? And that still look away, you know, viewers and subscribers. That still look away, you know. No, that still would look away. You see me? I say, yeah, some people might say it looks stingy, or the person is tight on the pocket, or mean, or how some person might call it. You just look away, you know. I don't think I could really and truly do something like that. See me? And it really reached to the point where I'm wondering if the person do the video for a joke or a laugh. You see me? I wonder if the person do the video for views or for entertainment purposes, because I'm not sure anyone would really and truly do something like that. I'm not saying that nobody wouldn't do something like that, but it made me wonder all these things. You see? Anyways, let me know what you think about that video, viewers and subscribers, because I have never seen or heard anybody do or say certain things that have been shown in that video that I just presented to you, alright? So let me know what you think. And I'm going to move on to another video. Alright, the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show how a person entered and exited a building by going through a grill of a building that is located somewhere out there in the world. I do not have any confirmed information as to when the video will be recorded, and I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly where in the world the video will be recorded. And according to some comments that have been made on social media about the video, I got the understanding that some persons on social media are saying that the person is a thief. However, I do not have any confirmed information about that, because sometimes there are persons who will do video and post it on social media for entertainment purposes. See it? Even for publicity stunt as well. Let me repeat that. Publicity stunt as well. Alright? Now, I want to take a look at this video and tell me what you think. Yes, you know what I say? Yeah, tell me what you think. Alright? And if you ever find yourself where you realize that someone is entering your house illegally, meaning that them squeezing themselves through a grill of your house or breaking a window or so forth, call the police first. Call the police first. Right? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe. Watch out. Watch out. I record this. Watch out. You see that? Eh? I tell you. I tell you. I tell you. Watch him make yes now for come out now. Watch ya. Make him make yes now for come out now. Watch ya. I record this. Alright. Now here's the thing what me ever say now. See? I think it would be best if you call the police. If you see somebody that try to do something like that. You see me I say? You call the police. You see me? Because I don't want nobody get themselves in a problem, you know. See? Yeah, because you see law, sometimes you might do certain things thinking that you're protecting yours or protecting your home or so forth, and then at the end of the day you might be surprised to know that you still find yourself in trouble with the law, even though the person clearly tried to enter your house or entered your house illegally. See me I say? Yeah, me I tell you, it might sound a way, but I'm telling you might be surprised to know. So some of the times when you see certain things that happen, call the police first. See? You call the police first as quick as you can, because I just saw the system set. See? I'm not going to tell no one to do anything to put themselves in a problem. You see? Alright, so I just am going to leave it now. Big up and respect to each and everyone, and until next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm name Dancehall Skilla. Want to big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.